BlackRock is letting you buy 10,000 XRP for 72 hours. Tomorrow's video will go into great detail about how BlackRock has recently started to change their entire stance on the crypto industry, what they're doing with their own crypto wallets, and how XRP is about to go through the roof because of everything I just said. As you can see, BlackRock has recently made big changes when it comes to XRP, even buying it directly. That being said, BlackRock is actually buying when most of you are selling. They are also partly to blame for the instability we've seen in the last week, which I will also show in today's video. Press the like button, and let's begin. First, let's talk about the recent change BlackRock made to its crypto strategy. Larry Fink said he was wrong about cryptocurrencies. While being questioned on CNBC not long ago, he said a lot of really interesting things, so please pay close attention. In any way, a shooter. This must make sense to you since you think it might be an option. Is this a different way to be able to because of the deficit? Something that people who plan to stay for a long time might want to have. Of course, you already know that I wasn't sure. Yes, I was proud to be a doubter. I looked into it, learned more about it, and then realized that what I thought 5 years ago was wrong. This is my view. Say today, this is what I believe I think the chance is today. I think that Bitcoin is real. That doesn't mean there aren't misuses, there are, just like with everything else. It is, however, a real cash tool. That means you can get returns that aren't related to each other. I think it's something you buy when you're scared, though. It's a tool for when you think that countries are devaluing their currencies, which some countries do by running huge deficits. I think there are places in the world where you can invest in digital gold and be scared of your normal life. Larry Fink thinks Bitcoin is like gold in the digital world. Wow, that really is a surprise. During this conversation, he also said a lot of other very important things, such as the fact that he was wrong for 5 years when he spoke out against Bitcoin and all other digital currencies and cryptos. What's even stranger is that BlackRock, which is run by Larry Fink, is now investing directly in XRP. Some new deals show that BlackRock isn't even trying to hide it. And believe me when I say that BlackRock usually buys things through a company instead of under their own name. But we're talking about the official checked BlackRock wallet that bought a lot of XRP when the price dropped recently. I'm not sure what else that could mean besides the fact that something very big is about to happen. There is no way for us to know what BlackRock knows. They have biggest shares in all of the big banks. Sure, let's talk about JP Morgan and Chase. The biggest banks like Bank of America, JP Morgan Chase, and Morgan Stanley own most of the smaller banks. Since they're buying XRP, it's likely because big news is coming soon. We are not sure what the news is, but we do know that these kinds of partnerships will most likely be made public before the end of the year. Additionally, in case you were interested, BlackRock did indeed buy XRP. The price they got was about 33 cents per coin. Absolutely crazy stuff. If you don't believe what's going on, this is your chance to see it for yourself. They are also talking to Ondo. Send a shout out to any Ondo people who have that coin. Ondo is where they buy USDC and stablecoins. They are getting XRP for a very low price by buying it straight on DeFi apps. In cryptocurrency right now, they're doing some really smart things. Okay then, all of you are selling, but BlackRock is adding to your positions. The only thing they do is buy. You're not getting any of the XRP because you're a little further down the line. Finally, I don't want any of you to fall for this trick anymore, okay? In the past, BlackRock has bought a lot of XRP to sell it all at once, which hurts everyone else. Also, yes, most people will sell quickly if XRP drops 10% in one day. I just recently opened up a lot of spots live on my YouTube channel, and I showed you how I made $10,000 in one day by buying on the dip and selling off afterward. You want to buy when everyone else is selling. You want to sell when everyone else is buying. It's really that easy. So let's see. Ethereum's price is going in the same direction as Bitcoin's after its ETF approval, right? I recently looked at the charts again and showed you that after the first 3 weeks of Bitcoin ETFs being approved, there were a couple of red weeks with Bitcoin going down after the ETF approval. Then all of a sudden, about 3 weeks after the ETF approval, the price took a huge drop. Now, I want to tell you that it's been about 20 days since the Ethereum ETF was approved. We're getting very close to those 3 weeks. In fact, a huge amount of cash will be coming into Ethereum in about 72 hours. This is why I think getting ahead of the curve is a very smart thing to do, since we know that after the Ethereum ETF, the most likely next ones are the Solana ETF and the XRP ETF. And this is probably going to give us a huge amount of cash, more than anything we've ever seen before. And this is Brad Garlinghouse saying that XRP is going to be the next Bitcoin. Additionally, it will have the same level of liquidity as Bitcoin right now, and it might even be worth more than Bitcoin. This is a great message from the CEO of Ripple that I need to show you all. Ripple has always worked with regulators, and we've done business with regulated companies like banks where there isn't a lot of change in the rules. So we think that one reason XRP has done so well is that people are starting to think, hey, wait a minute, going back to your question, the next Bitcoin is XRP. The real question is XRP going to be the next Bitcoin? There's a lot of value to be made in XRP if we work with the system to solve this problem and are able to solve it on a large scale, a problem that costs trillions of dollars. That's it. If we can solve these issues for a lot of money, then yes. If it isn't already, XRP will definitely be the next Bitcoin. Right now, I want to quickly go back to the Ethereum ETFs because we just learned some really important information that could make this shift happen a bit faster than we thought. To begin, yes, it has been about 20 days since the US spot Ethereum Exchange Traded Funds ETFs first came out. Yes, there have been about 14 trading sessions so far. The stock market doesn't go up and down every day like the crypto market does. Also, the total net imports have gone down to a loss of $405.94 billion during this time. Despite this, both BlackRock's ETH and Fidelity's FETH have seen big gains. It's getting close to $1 billion in net imports for ETH, while it's been $340.1 million for FETH. Okay, so this isn't funny. 1 billion is a huge number. Also, I want to tell you that this is happening without any of the marketing or advertising budget that we saw with the Bitcoin ETFs. At the time their financial goods came out, BlackRock advertised them on cable TV, the internet, and many other places. A lot of the trading in Bitcoin ETFs happened because of those marketing efforts, which didn't happen until about 3 to 4 weeks after trading in Bitcoin ETFs started. To put it another way, I think it's very likely that there will be a huge push for Ethereum ETFs very soon. What this means is that Ethereum ETFs will be shown on TV. All of the older groups that watch cable TV will see this, and like with Bitcoin, they'll buy in because they know that now might be the best time to get into these markets, and these boomers have trillions of dollars to invest. Okay, they're not just sitting around with a couple $billion. If we see that much money, it shouldn't go near any altcoins. Yes, it will be very powerful, and not just for Ethereum. Okay, we have all been through these cycles before with Bitcoin, then Ethereum, and now the high market cap altcoins. That's the loop, and we're slowly making our way to the Ethereum stage. And what I mean is that based on everything I showed you in today's movie, I'm very sure we'll start seeing a lot of liquidity in the next 72 hours. Now, is your chance to get ahead of the game buy XRP, Solana, or even Ethereum right away? Get as much as you can. Because once XRP goes over $1, you'll wish you got more Ethereum when each coin costs $5,000. Do not wait. Do not wait until the prices rise to buy. I talked about why that is a bad idea in this video because we've all lost money that way. Guys, let's learn from our mistakes and make some money together. If you liked the video, hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you all soon. Goodbye.